ASP World Tour Event, Ocean Beach 2011. Ripcurl Pro, Ocean Beach. ASP World Tour Event number 10 of 11. Ocean Beach, California. November 1st through 7th, 2011.
The 2011 World Tour event in Ocean Beach, San Francisco, produced some large waves and historic action. The contest wave size was a solid 3 to 5 foot plus. The conditions ranged from good to tricky. The water temp was very cold. Just days before the contest began, there was also a shark attack at the same beach. Kelly Slater was entering the contest with enough points earned to grip his 11th world title sometime during this event, with one World Tour event still remaining for this season. The intensity was at an all-time high. On the first day of the competition, 11/1/2011, rippers like Kelly Slater, Adriano De Souza, and Gabriel Medina won their heats. Dusty Payne exited the contest after spotting a shark in the lineup. "I was sitting out there and saw something in the lineup," Payne said. "I've seen dolphins before, and this wasn't a dolphin. That's the biggest fin I've ever seen in my life, and it came straight for me. The waves are terrible, so I just opted to stay in instead of dealing with that shark." Then on 11/2/2011, ASP makes a historic calculation error. ASP announced that Kelly Slater had won the 2011 season title prematurely. Kelly accepted the honor only to have it taken away. Kelly Slater went on to officially win the title on 11/6/2011. By the end of the contest, it was the Brazilian surfer Gabriel Medina that won the Ocean Beach World Tour event 2011. Gabriel Medina is only 17 years of age, but has earned respect on the World Tour.
Ripcurl Pro Ocean Beach final results. And in first place, Gabriel Medina. And in second place, Joel Parkinson. Ripcurl Pro Ocean Beach semifinal results. In semifinal Heat 1, Gabriel Medina defeated Taylor Knox. And in Heat 2, Joel Parkinson defeated Alejo Munoz. Resources: www.prosurfblog.com 2011. Gabriel Medina photo credit, ASP Sistari. ASP Media, Dave Prodan, 11/1/2011, 11/6/2011, and 11/7/2011. Copyright, all content included. Pro Surf Blog Facebook album 2011. Brought to you by Trade Federation. Check out our other surf links.